Good afternoon, I'm here at MCM Cape Town premises. Behind me we've got the new 916L lowrider front end loader. It's specifically imported and distributed by MCM for poultry farms. It's got a ton of features which make it the ideal and optimal machine for our chicken houses. Of course, namely clearing out manure, and it's got the extended H-frame boom which allows you to load the highest and largest of trucks. Perfect machine because it's got 58 kilowatts engine power, which is driving the 2-speed clutch pack high and low as well. That gives the optimal traction and pushing power. This machine has a yellow color bucket on. That's only because we're helping the customer right now. His original bucket has been taken to our engineering department.
Limited slip goes in.